Hello guys! Ever wonder if there are two separate power supply inside one of those USB you buy from Amazon and eBay? I have opened one just to check, because it says 2.1 amps on one and 1 amp on the other one. So let's see if this is true. Okay, let's see. As we can see on the circuit board, it's only one chip, integrated circuit, IC, and one conductor or drossel or something, transformer. So we need to check. Here we have one solder, there we have one solder, and 1 point solder, and 1 point solder. So by examining the circuit board, we will see if this is only one regulator and two USB in parallel. Okay, we can see that the minus is the same circuit board that goes to both. On the plus, on the other hand, these two are separated with a resistor or something. So it looks like this could be separated. Let's have a look at this board. Yes, the minus, I don't know, but looks to be the same. The plus on this side has a longer circuit board circuit down to this something. On the other side you see just a small circuit board, and you see all these small holes. These small holes is corresponding with the holes on the other side, so I'm guessing the circuit is going through this hole. To check this out, we need to do a ohm test. Let's see if this side is connected to this side. Yes, it is. And this one and this one, and yes, it is. So the conclusion is that this cheap dual USB you buy from eBay and Amazon, I can't speak for all of course, but I'm guessing they're all the same inside. It's one power supply which is split in two, so you get the same ampere rating on each, no difference at all. Okay, let's take a look at the data sheet on the chip that is used. It is an 6202 that was in that particular USB unit. And here we have the temperature normal, TA 25 and 5 volt output. Supply current is then typically 2.8, maximum 3.5. Which, yeah. So that means that you get around 3 amps out of it. So if you divide that on the two ports, then this is almost true. But like we checked, they both are connected in parallel, so they are equally strong or weak after how you see it. Yes, that's all. Could be good to know. See you later.